Namaste friends, in Bangle Hands English channel. Today I'm going to tell you about a recent purchase of planters and stands for our garden. These are cheaper in price than planters and stands which are available in our city. We purchased all these from Begum Bazaar in Hyderabad. Planters, tubs and stands in 3 sizes. This is 14 numbered planter made up of plastic. Its inside diameter is 12 inches, height 11 inches. It costs 70 rupees each. Since we already planted a plant in this planter, so it was a bit difficult for me to take the measurements. This black tub diameter is 1 feet 8 inches, that is 20 inches. Height is 10 inches. It is 80 rupees each. Generally, we get this for 100 rupees, 110 rupees from our local sellers. This big sized stand diameter is 10 inches, height 11 inches. It is 70 rupees each. These stands are already painted and completely iron material. This middle sized stand's diameter is 9 inches, height 8.5 inches. Cost is 50 rupees each. The small one sized diameter is 6 inches, height 3.5 inches and cost is 35 rupees. When we purchased first time from that shop, he told the price of that small stand is 30 rupees. At the time we felt that's not required. Later we wanted them and went again to that shop to purchase. But he said that price is 35 rupees. We wondered and asked, why is it so? He said that price is based on iron material rate when we ordered to make stands. If you visit that shop after watching this video, rates are maybe here and there. We purchased planters and stands in 2 different shops which are in 2 different streets. Begum Bazaar is near to Osmania Hospital. Nearest bus stop is Afzalganj. Just go further from Osmania Hospital, you will find a 6 crossroads circle. Take first road on left from that circle. There you will see all plastic items selling shops. Still go further till the road you see as dead end look alike. There you will find 2 shops left and right sides which sells all types of garden planters. From Osmania Hospital to the 6 road circle, take second road on right side, walk till Aziz Plaza on left side of the road. There is a small lane opposite to Aziz Plaza entrance, that is on our right side. Just walk in that lane till you see a shop with iron stands in front of it. That shop also sells all wooden cutlery and other wooden kitchen needs. Small lanes of Begum Bazaar is not mentioned clearly in Google Maps. Hence, I am giving these maps for your convenience. Take a screenshot of these maps. There may be a chance you may not access this video when you are on the way for shopping. So, screenshot will be handy. Many of the shops will be closed on Sunday. Depends upon the festive season, they may open on Sundays too. So plan your shopping accordingly. Hope you guys like this video. Spread this and help others to build their garden. Please like it, share it, and if you are not subscribed to Bangle Hands English channel yet, please do subscribe. Happy gardening. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.